everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss about the if else statement that I had already discussion with the last lecture and the program which I have given to you to be write the program in if else statement. That was write a program to check whether a number is positive or negative or zero. This program we are going to write using if else statement. Okay, here I will show you how this concept will be work and what will be the logic to develop this code. Okay, so here in Turbo C++ I'm going to open new file, and new file I have written the program here, number suppose positive. This is my file name, and here I will be writing program. I will help you to understand how you can write the program to check whether the number which you have entered that is positive, negative or zero. Okay, so you already know in C program why we use the hash include stdio.h. This is the header file. To include your header file you have used include keyword, and hash is a preprocessor. Before writing your program, before starting your program, before compiling your code, you have to be write the hash symbol, because this is the preprocessor. It is the preprocessor method, because if you will not write the hash symbol, so it will not allow you to write anything. So before starting your program you have to be write hash. You can watch my another video where I have explained about all the keywords which I have used in this code. Okay, so next I'm going to write here one more file. That also you already know why I use, because I used to use here get ch and clear screen, because to clear your screen I use the clear screen function that come under conio.h, and another I have used get cs, means get character, that also we use in conio.h header file. And here I have write the type integer is a data type. I have written one number, num is a variable. I will write this program using input. Okay, so I will be taking the input from the user. Okay, so here in printf message I have written this. You will be using backslash, because I believe if your program looks good on console window, that is very great thing. So here I have written enter num, enter any number. Okay, I will be writing like this, enter any number. Okay, so you are going to write any number here. I will be using scanf, and you know this is the integer data type, so for that we will be using %d, and you are trying to input from the user. For that you will be using and symbol num. Okay, now whatever the number you will be going to enter, it will be stored in the num variable. Now I'm going to write the condition. If your number is greater than 0, means that will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, any number. So here it will check what it will display, printf the input number is positive. Or if you want to print the number, so what you have to use here, %d equal number is, what you will use, num here. So whatever the number you are going to write, you will be using here. Okay, and here I can use the backslash, because if you will use the backslash, it will print in next line. Okay, and now if this condition will not be true, and suppose you have entered any negative number, so here I am going to write the condition if the number is less than 0. Less than 0 kab hoga, when it will be -1 -2 -3 something, so that number will be in minus. So you will be writing printf \n, integer type a %d is equals to, and suppose this is the message I'm going to write. This is the way you are writing. You can write any message, is negative. Okay, and the num is a variable, so जो number आप लिखेंगे वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. And I have written one more condition here, if num equals to 0, so means your number will be 0, right? %n %d equals to input number is 0. So this was the program which I asked you to write. Okay, and what will be the number it going to print? And you have to remember one thing, if you are writing if condition, so you have open one curly braces, so that curly braces should be open once, and you have to close every curly braces here. so यहाँ पे आपने इसको ओपन किया है, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा कोड अच्छा देखने में लगेगा, तो मैंने ये वाला इफ का ये वाला क्लोज करा। यहाँ पे अगर आप जाएंगे एल्स, और मैंने यहाँ पे एक और कर्ली ब्रेसेस ओपन किया है, एंड यू कैन चेक आई हैव क्लोज्ड हियर इन दिस लाइन। ओके, यहाँ पे आप जाएंगे और यहाँ पे इसको आप ओपन करा नया वाला, और यहाँ पे आपने ये भी क्लोज कर दिया। तो आपको ओपन और क्लोज ब्रेसेस का बहुत ध्यान रखना है, और ये आपका मेन वाले फंक्शन का हो गया। एंड अभी आप यहाँ पे क्या यूज़ करने वाले, गेट सी एच। अगर आप यूज़ नहीं करेंगे तो स्क्रीन आपकी होल्ड नहीं होगी, वो जब तक उसको एक कैरेक्टर नहीं मिलेगा। कंट्रोल F9 इसको रन कर दीजिए। इट इज आस्किंग एंटर एनी नंबर, सपोज आई हैव एंटर्ड 2, so this is positive number, so output should be 2 equals to input number is positive, because I have written like this only. I will enter again and I will run it again. I have written -7, so this number is negative. Yes, so input number is negative. Okay, again I will compile this. Control F9 you have to press, and I have written 0, so your number equals to 0. So this is all your code. So this is the condition logic. You have to check the number. If number is greater than 0, so that will be positive number. Less than 0, that will be negative number. Or if you have written assignment operator equals to, that will be 0, because 0 equals to 0, so your output will be 0. Okay, so I hope you understand this code which I have written here. Okay, so in this video, just I have explained one program which I have given you work from home. I mean, I have asked you in the last session, you have to write one code. Once you will be doing the if else condition practice. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel if you like the way I teach you. Okay, thank you so much.